Here's the beginning of a series that hopefully we'll do often. We get shipments here at Earth and Tree Miniatures a few times a week, and this is one of our regular stock of items that we get from Hamley House, which is our main distributor. So a lot of this is just our standard restock items. Here we've got a neat little 1/12 scale outhouse. Sometimes we get really unique stuff, and sometimes it's just the plain old. Got a few of those stocked up. Summer's coming. Let's see. Barbecue with a little propane bottle on the bottom. That's another fun one for the summertime. Some porch swings in red. Add that right onto your summer porch. Oh, some more fun. We've got white wire to look like wicker table and chairs for outside in the yard. Another barbecue. And one more set of table and chairs. And then here, Hanley usually boxes up all of our littles. And today we have some plants. Little neat little plants in a little pot. And some shutter dogs made by Old Mountain Miniatures. This is 144th scale furniture, so the doll furniture for inside your dollhouse, in your dollhouse. Those are chairs. Then we have tables, again 144th scale. Little metal mailboxes. These would be great to decorate, add some flowers, do some painting, landscaping for outside. A phonograph. Good old Victrola. And corn cob pipe displays. Perfect for a general store. And let's see what we have. Ooh, some laser cut lace doilies from Janetta Kennel Miniatures out in California. They're paper, but they're so pretty to put on tables and bookshelves because they're so fine and so thin they look like lace. And as you can see in the bottom of the box, we have tons and tons of basswood, all thicknesses, all widths, all different stuff that we try to stock all the time for any building needs. And way down the bottom today, we've got some wallpaper for mini graphics. Two different designs with borders on the paper. And let's see, what do we have in here? Oh, this is a bay window. We got a couple of those. Looks like it's a bay window kit. Yep, sometimes we have to do some assembly work on a few of the items that we've put together, but we'll get to that. Stay tuned and we'll do another one of these in a couple days when we get the next box. Thanks for joining us.